Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with euro-dollar pair with Din Lao. EURUSD is moving along the level of 1.0700. With characteristic deviations from it forming a range of 1.0670, 1.0750. On the 4-hour chart, the RSI technical indicator is moving in the lower area of 3050, thus reflecting bearish sentiment among traders. Meanwhile, the alligator's MAs are intertwined in the 4-hour chart, which indicates the stagnant phase. In this case, the most optimal tactic is to wait for the price to settle beyond the established boundaries, which could lead to an increase in trading volumes and a road for a breakout. Complex indicator analysis shows unstable readings due to the sideways movement in the short and intraday periods. Here is Laurie Bailey with pound sterling dollar pair forecast. Let's have a look. The British pound did not form a consolidation, but it took advantage of market's broad weakness, strongly passing through both indicator lines. Serving as support levels, the balance line and the Kijun line at 1.2628. The trading volume was above average. Now the price may drop below 1.2596, aiming for a deeper target of 1.2517, the February 5 low. On the 4-hour chart, the price consolidated below the Kijun San, 1.2660. The market oscillated on a downward trajectory, slightly turning upwards in the process of a neutral correction after a sharp decline. However, there's a risk of the dollar falling after the release of US data in the evening. The final estimate of the GDP numbers for Q1 is forecasted to be revised down from 1.6% to 1.3%, and durable goods orders for May decline by 0.5%. If we consider tomorrow's key data on US inflation, the Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) price index for May, which is not in a rush to fall, focused 2.6% year-on-year versus 2.7% in April, the price may stay above the level of 1.2660. During the US national holiday, Wednesday-Thursday, and also in anticipation of employment data to be released on Friday. What about Nasdaq 100 index? Arif Makmur explains. Even though the condition of the S&P 500 index on the 4-hour chart appears to be in a sideways condition, the position of the EMA 20, which is above the EMA 50, indicates that buyers are still dominant in the index, especially with the addition of the momentum indicator, forming a double bottom, plus circle, providing signal confirmation, which is positive if in the near future SPX has the potential to appreciate up to the level of 5490.36. as the main target. And if the momentum and volatility are supportive, then 55.15.18 will be the next target to be aimed at. But if on the way to these targets suddenly there is a correction which is quite significant in SPX, especially if it is broken below 54.33.74, then all these strengthening scenarios described previously will become invalid and cancel automatically. That's all for today. See you online soon.